sure these guys are done.
Oh yeah, there's that wind you don't want. Oh. Sounded good. Woo! Just gotta warm it up a little. Just can't throw with anybody outside of the baseball community. Told you I was gonna shake him up. Good time for that one.
The one he was standing behind, I was like,
Oh, that was probably the best one. Flex.
hey, I'm a lefty.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we might think about it then.
Let's pop on the track band. I'll show you some stuff.
When you throw the shirt to the stands.
Did you hear what he said? Pop on the track band. We'll check it out.
Throw, I caught the damn knuckleball, and I'm like,
Barely.
barely caught it.
Hey,
It's a good knuckleball.
he's got the right attitude.
Hey.
Live it, breathe it. Oh, right back at home. Oh yeah, there you go. I'm only 30. I'm 31, baby. Just gotta get my PFPs warmed up. Tell me you got that good one.
I had a teammate I played with in 19, and towards the end of his career, he was starting to throw some knuckleballs.
Yeah.
And like, those are not fun to catch.
No, absolutely not.
Ned Yost.
Hey, Justin Langhill, nice to meet you too. Yeah.
I'm the old man, Rick Sweet.
Rick Sweet, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Save that.